Hello everyone, this is J Prince Adalem, and today we're going to talk about volcanoes. So what is a volcano? A volcano is an opening in Earth's crust where lava, pyroclasts, and gases are ejected onto the surface during eruptions. The three main parts of a volcano is the magma chamber, the vent, and the crater. The magma chamber is a large pool of liquid rock beneath the surface of the Earth. The vent is a cylindrical channel that connects the crater to the magma chamber. The crater is a steep walled depression at the peak of the volcano. There are three kinds of volcanoes according to shape and composition of the cone. First is the shield volcano. A shield volcano has a wide base with gentle sloping sides. The cone is made up of purely lava that has poured out and solidified during a mild or quiet eruption. Next is the cinder cone volcanoes. It is built mostly entirely of loose fragments called cinders. Cinder cone volcanoes are usually small and are formed by explosive eruptions. Lastly is the composite volcano, or commonly known as stratovolcano. Composite volcanoes are composed of alternating layers of lava and cinders. Examples of stratovolcanoes are the Mount Fuji in Japan or the Mount Mayon here in the Philippines. Now, let's talk about the precautionary measures before, during, and after a volcanic eruption. Before an eruption, first is to learn about your community's warning system and develop an emergency communication plan. Second, you must prepare disaster supplies or a survival kit. Next, your local government has evacuation plans. Follow the evacuation plans. Follow the authorities' instruction and leave the area before the disaster begins. Lastly, put all household materials inside your house and bring animals and livestock into closed shelters. So now, what do we do during an eruption? First is to avoid areas near the slopes of the volcano, because lava could flow near the slopes. Next, if caught indoors, close all windows, doors, and other openings. If caught outdoors, protect your head from rocks and immediately run indoors. Lastly is to avoid low-lying areas where lava flow could reach and poisonous gas can collect. Finally, after an eruption, first is to listen to a battery-powered radio or television for the latest emergency information. Next, if you have a respiratory ailment, stay indoors to avoid inhaling dust and ash. Lastly is to clear your house from ashfall or dust, because ashfall can cause roofs to collapse. That would be all. Once again, this is J. Prince Adalem, and I hope you learned something new today.